A very good day and welcome to the virtual leadership camp of IEEE Malaysia section year 2020. So in this video we are going to discuss a little bit on financial matters. So this will be handy for treasurers of chapter or subsections. So let's make a review of what it was in 2019. Alright, so 2019 we have started the e-reimbursement system whereby we have cut all physical forms from the reimbursement or any claims matter. Okay, so all financial matter will be performed online except for certain subsection without bank account, whereby we will banking the check for them. Alright, so in this case we are limiting the utilization of checks from the section. Okay, so another thing that we have done in 2019 was the rebates or reimbursement from the HQ were done automatically upon receive confirmation of transfer from HQ or R10. Okay, so last year we also have organized a Netsuite training by Miss Melody, the senior accountant of IEEE Asia Pacific. So for those who have submitted their financial report last year, most of you will come across Miss Melody because she will be the one who approve the financial report that we have submitted to HQ. All right. So our point of contact for any financial matters will be via Miss Melody. All right. She is in charge of IEEE Asia Pacific. Okay. So these were the summary of what it was in 2019. So, all right. So, in 2020, we have lined up a few new initiatives. All right. So to make things more clear, so let's go through what are happening now. If there are any claims or reimbursement of fund transfer from the section to subsection or to chapters or even to the student branches. All right, so current system will always wait for the email alert, if any, okay, either from the recipient or from the HQ. All right, but what happened now previously was there are a lot of transfer which do not have any documentation. Sometimes HQ or R10 did not give us the advice on what were the transfer for. Okay, so there were delays, okay, in the reimbursement process in turns. All right, or sometimes there were issues whereby email were forwarded to the recipient but not to us. Okay, and the funding um were transferred like 1 or 2 months after the emails been sent to the recipient. So that causes some delay in the reimbursement as well. All right, so what happened previously was there are a lot of emails being circulated, then we need to trace back. All right, normally via me or to the chair, Dr. Faunizu. All right, so then it will come to the treasurer. Okay, then treasurer will initiate the transfer to the respective beneficiaries, then it will be approved by the chair. Okay, then and only then the monies will be transferred to the recipient. All right, so what happened for 2020, we will put the request for transfer to all excom in charge. All right, so if your grant transfer is associated with with education activities. So your point of contact will be the education excom, all right? Or if your reimbursement is related to student branches, then you will need to liaise with excom, which is responsible for the student branches. Okay, same goes to the rest as well. Okay, professional, then you liaise with the professional excom, right? Then the excom will launch the reimbursement request, okay, accordingly, after checking all those documentation. Okay, hence, after the request was made, the treasurer will check against the proof of transfer from HQ or from R10 or from whichever source of fund transfer. Okay, then only then it will be approved by chair, then finally to the recipients. All right, so with this new initiative, new transfer system in place, it will be easier for us to track on the respective fund being transferred into the section. All right, then this additional layer of check will be performed by the excom in charge. Okay, that will be the first step. All right, then another new initiative that we are putting on will be the transfer cutoff. All right, because of sometimes the amount of transaction that we have, it's quite high, so we are doing a consolidation. So transfer will be done bi-monthly, okay, twice a month. If the request was made in the first half of the month, i.e. from the 1st to the 14th of the month, the transfer will be done by end of the same month, all right, or the current month. Any request done on the 15th to the 30th or to the end of the month, it will be by the first week of the following month. All right, so this will be the new transfer cutoff that we have put in. Okay, so next, for the new treasurers in chapters, okay, so IEEE have some online resources for us to follow. All right, so the first one will be the Netsuite video tutorials. This is a suite of interactive tutorial whereby it will teach you how to manage your accounts using Netsuite. All right, um, all chapters now are required to submit their financial statement through Netsuite. All right, and um, there will be another portal for all to upload the bank statement as proof. All right, this is to reconcile the accounts against your statement. All right, um, then another good resources will be this website in MGA, okay, whereby it will teach you A to Z of financial reportings which are required for your subsection, your chapter, or even your conferences. All right, so do visit these two websites. Okay, the first one it's specific to Netsuite. All right, the second one will be on all financial reporting that need to be done by all chapters. Right. So for the new treasurers, kindly join us. Okay. We have a WhatsApp group. Okay. So you can click on the link or scan on the QR code to join the group. All right. So if there are any updates from HQ or new directives, then this will be the first group whereby we disseminate the information upon. All right. uh Definitely, if you need further contact further contacts, okay, you can contact me, okay, via email or via the WhatsApp group, okay, and you can also liaise with Miss Cole, all right, Miss Melody Cole, the senior accountant of IEEE Asia Pacific, which is based in Singapore, all right. She's a very helpful person, so you can always ask her on what are the problems that you all are facing, okay, especially in Netsuite sometimes, all right. You can always liaise with her. She very willingly to help you on this matter, all right. So thank you. So this will be a short overview of what are the updates that we have, all right. But definitely if there are any questions or doubts, please do drop me a message, all right. So yep, that's all. Thank you.